So now one of the things that you can do inside of WordPress is utilize patterns as well. So to do that, if I were to go around and click on the plus button, let's say for example, then I can access our patterns right here. So let's say you want to go ahead and create a contact page, then simply click on contact and then you see the pattern of the contact that you can insert, which are like presets of elements that you can add in that has been pre-made. Similarly, I can go ahead over here and let's say for example go around onto banners, and then if I were to click right here, then you can see that the banner has been inserted right here just like this. If I were to go to newsletter, then I can go ahead and click on, let's say for example, this as well. And then you got the subscribe block right here with presets right here. And if you want to quickly go ahead and design out things, you can see that I got the patterns for menus right here. I got the patterns for pricing right here as well. Click on it and it simply pops up. And you can see that these are actually general type of designs right here. So if I were to go ahead and preview this now, then this is what you have. These are the patterns, as you can see right here, just like this, which has been inserted for a quick design. And you can see that you can go ahead and they are the dummies right here, just like this. And you have an option to subscribe or learn more right here. So you can go ahead and change this out according to how you want as well. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize patterns inside of WordPress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.